Two 600 bhp, AWD monsters. One 1,500-mile road trip to decide which is better. This is going to be hard. Perhaps impossible. The power wars between M Division and AMG have been raging for a long time, and with the pair's latest 600 bhp 4 doors, they appear to have reached some kind of deadlock. The new BMW M5 and Mercedes-AMG E63s have clever all-wheel drive systems that make them usable in winter, but with a naughty rear-drive drift mode to appease the purists. Both have a twin-turbo V8 engine with around 600 bhp, each one mated to a long-legged but snappily reacting automatic gearbox. Each one has a suite of driver modes and traction control settings to make it malleable to all talent levels and handling tastes, too. I'm professional though, and I promise I'll reach a verdict. Hopefully without resorting to a coin toss. I know. It's in situations like this where immaturely skidding around on a frozen lake has some real use. Honest. With cars whose limits are so stupendously high, the AMG's performance displays prove you're using laughably little of its 604 bhp on ordinary roads. Slippery conditions bring the extremities of their behavior down to low speeds, and with loads of lovely runoff. Handy when you've got 5 meters of car not inclined to go in a straight line. That car is the E63s. Yeah, there's a load of fancy new AWD tech beneath you, but it's still happiest with you've got a load of opposite lock-on. I begin with its electronic nannies in their halfway house mode, but after just 2 corners of the Top Gear Winter Games track, I switch everything off and add a bit of a loon. Yes, it can be driven in a smooth, neutral manner, utilizing the rear bias of its transmission to combat understeer. Blah blah. It immediately implores you to drop mature pretensions and indulge its inner scoundrel. The BMW M5 is keener to knuckle down and be serious. Its 592 bhp lags slightly behind the E63s, but it feels more agile, and to a greater degree than its slim 25 kg weight advantage suggests. It favors assertiveness over aggression, and its steering is quicker, its pedals more responsive and its front tires more willing to bite. That also means it can snap a bit quicker than the Merc, which seems to slide in slow motion. The M5's engine has sound fed into the cabin, and it's sharper and higher pitched. The thunderous AMG appears to be gargling its own mechanical components in comparison.